Today is a continuation of our healthy series, and we are going to make chicken adobo. It is a classic dish in the Philippines, very easy to make, and we are just going to use a few ingredients. If you don't know how to cook, this is the best choice for you to try the first time. So, let's get started. Here are the ingredients that we are going to use for this classic dish. As this is part of our healthy series, we are using skinless chicken, and we will add honey instead of regular sugar. You may add a handful of black peppercorns if you like. Trim the extra skin from the chicken. Doing this will make this chicken adobo healthy for you. Your body will thank you after eating this. We will just season the chicken very lightly with half a teaspoon of garlic salt. Don't worry, it will not be too salty. Slice the onion, then chop the garlic. On medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and sear the chicken for about 2 minutes per each side. Transfer them onto a separate container and set them aside. On the same pan, sauté the garlic for about 1 minute. Now let's add the chicken back into the pan and mix it well to let it absorb this wonderful aroma and flavor from the garlic. It smells really good in here. Now let's add the sauce that we mixed earlier. We do not need to marinate the chicken, it will be just as good. You may add the bay leaves at this point. Bring it to a boil and simmer for about 25 to 30 minutes depending on the size of the chicken. Stir the chicken occasionally in between cooking. Now the chicken is cooked. Let's add the onions. This is optional. It will add a depth of flavor to this classic dish. Mix and simmer for about 2 to 5 minutes or according to preference. Now this chicken adobo is done. As you can see, the sauce has thickened. I like to serve this with hard-boiled eggs and slices of fresh tomatoes. This is a wonderful classic chicken adobo. It's authentic and it's easy to make. I am hungry. Now let's eat! And now, my favorite part of the day, of course, is the taste test. Look what I have. This is a really good adobo. It's chicken adobo. And I put a lot of onions because we love onions. And now, let's do it. It is so flavorful. And I have hard-boiled eggs here and slices of tomatoes. They are so good together with this. And of course, rice. Ang sarap. Let's add some hard-boiled eggs, some tomatoes with rice. All four of them in one bite. Perfect. Plus the onions too. Ang sarap. Sarap talaga. It's a harmony of flavors like sour, salty, and sweet, and savory. Sarap. And when you add tomatoes, caramelized onions, the onions are a little bit crunchy but cooked, a little bit sweet. And then we have the hard-boiled eggs, and of course the tomatoes, and the chicken adobo. Ang sarap. So there you have it, guys. We finished this edition of our healthy series, which is chicken adobo. Stay tuned for the next one because it's gonna be good. Okay, thank you so much for watching. You take care. I really appreciate all your support. I do not take it for granted. And make sure you hug your loved ones, and a big hug for you. Take care. God bless. I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.